Question number 12. A cylindrical cane of internal diameter 21 cm contains water. A solid sphere whose diameter is 10.5 cm is lowered into the cylindrical cane. The sphere is completely immersed in water. Calculate the rise in water level assuming that no water overflows. Given diameter of cylinder equal to 21 centimeter. Radius of cylinder equal to 21/2 centimeter. Diameter of sphere equal to 10.5 centimeter. Radius of sphere equal to 10.5/2 centimeter, that is equal to 105/20. 5 4s are 20, 21 5s are 105 centimeter, which implies 21/4 centimeter. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Pi r square h equal to 4/3 pi r cube. That is, capital R is radius of sphere. Pi is cancelled and radius of cylinder is 21/2 into h equal to 4/3 into 21/4 r cube. Height is equal to 4/3 into 21/4 divided by 21/2 21 cancel and 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 is cancel, which implies height equal to 21 into 4 is cancel, 3 1s are 3 3 7s are 21. Height equal to 7/4. 4 1s are 4 point 4 7s are 28. 2 4 5s are 20. Height is equal to 1.75 centimeter. Answer. Given diameter of cylinder is 21 centimeter and its radius equal to half of 21. Diameter of sphere is equal to 10.5 and its radius is half of diameter, that is 10.5 upon 2 centimeter, and equal to 105 upon 20. 5 4s are 20, 21 5s are 105 centimeter. So radius of sphere equal to 21 upon 4 centimeter. We find the height of cylinder. Let h be the height of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Radius is small r, that is equal to 21 upon 2, and pi is cancel. R square is 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2 into height h equal to 4 upon 3 into capital R, that is radius of sphere 21 upon 4. R cube 21 upon 4 multiplied by 21 upon 4 into 21 upon 4. So h equal to 21 upon 3 into 21 upon 4 multiplied by 21 upon 4 into 21 upon 4 and divided by 21 upon 2, 21 upon 2. 21 cancel, 21 cancel, 2 2s are 4 and 2 is cancel, 4 is cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21 and divided by 4. So height of cylinder, that is equal to 7 upon 4. 7 divided by 4, 7 1s are 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3.0. 30, 7 5, 7 4s are 28 and 30 minus 28, that is equal to 2 and 1 zeros 20, then 4 5s are 20 and we get height of cylinder is equal to 1.75 centimeter. Answer. Question number 13. There is a water to a height 14 centimeter in a cylindrical glass jar of radius 8 centimeter. Inside the water there is a sphere of diameter 12 centimeter completely immersed. Why? What height will the water go down when the sphere is removed? Height of water equal to 14 centimeter. Radius of cylindrical glass jar equal to 8 centimeter. Diameter of sphere equal to 12 centimeter. Radius of sphere equal to 12 upon 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Radius of sphere equal to 6 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere pi r square h equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Radius of sphere is capital R and radius of cylinder is small r. Pi is cancelled. 8 into h is equal to 4 upon 3 into radius equal to 6 into 6 into 6. So height is equal to 2 3s are 6. 4 8 into 8 into h equal to 4 into 2 into 6 into 6, and height equal to 4 into 2 into 6 into 6 divided by 8 into 8. 4 2s are 8, 2 is cancelled. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Height of cylinder is equal to 9 upon 2, that is centimeter, which implies h is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Height will be removed. Height of water removed equal to 14 minus 4.5, which implies 9.5 centimeter. Answer. Let height of water is equal to 14 centimeter and radius of cylindrical glass jar equal to 8 centimeter. Diameter of sphere is 12 centimeter. Its radius is 12 upon 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. And radius of sphere is capital R, radius of cylinder is small r. So volume of cylinder decreased. Volume of cylinder decreased equal to volume of sphere, that is pi r square h equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi is cancelled. Radius equal to 8 into h, that is equal to 4 upon 3 into 6 into 6 into 6. 3 2s are 6, and h equal to 4 into 2 into 6 into 6 divided by 8 into 8. 4 2s are 8, 2 is cancelled, and 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Height of cylinder decreased, that is equal to 9 upon 2 centimeter or 4.5 centimeter. Height of water removed, that is equal to 14 minus decreased height is 4.5, that is equal to 14 minus 4.5, 5 and 9 equal to 9.5 centimeter. Answer. Thank you.